This service to humanity is above ibadah. I am saying something consciously. Don't think I am saying it unconsciously. Service to humanity is above ibadah. But please note, our concept of public service or service to humanity is very limited. Our concept is the general concept that all human beings have. Whether someone believes in the hereafter or not, feed the hungry. Everybody would say it's a good work, virtuous work, good deed. Provide clothing for the people who don't have. Provide for treatment and medicine and care for the sick and the ill. Look after the orphans or the widows or the masakeen. No doubt, this is the basic concept of public service. And please note, till the age of 40, before Wahi started coming to Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, this form of public service was present in his life at its highest. That is why when the first Wahi came and he was fearful, first experience, first time Jibreel had come. When he returned from the cave of Hira, he was sweating like anything, trembling. And then when he said to his wife, I fear for my life, khashitu ala nafsi. The words that, the consoling words that the wife, faithful wife, the loving wife uttered to him were, no, 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 Allah will not let you go in waste. You look after the orphans. You look after the widows. You feed the hungry. You help the people who are in need. How can Allah let you go in waste? So that, you know, that level of public service, service to humanity, was present in the seerah, in the character of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, to its maximum. But now when Wahi began to come to him, and the order came, Ya ayyuhal muddassir, fa'anzir, wa rabbaka fakabbir. Now the biggest form of public service was to call people to the right path so that they are saved from the eternal doom of the fire of hell. If you are feeding him because he is hungry, okay, but he is going towards Jahannam and you are not trying to save him from that, how cruel you are. But what is necessary is that you must have belief that the real life is the life hereafter. وَإِنَّ دَارَ الْآخِرَةَ لَهِيَ الْحَيَوَانُ لَوْ كَانُوا يَعْلَمُونَ. The real life is the life of akhirah, of hereafter. Only if they had the knowledge. We don't have the knowledge. Although we believe in hereafter, but in our minds it's just like an appendix of this life. Real life is this. That's only an appendix. Quran says, no, that is the real life. This is like a preface to the book. The real book of life will open after death. This is just a preface. It's just a testing period, a period of selection. خَلَقَ الْمَوْتَ وَالْحَيَاةَ لِيَبْلُوَكُمْ أَيُّكُمْ أَحْسَنُ عَمَلًا. So the biggest service to humanity is to call people towards the right path so they are saved from the eternal doom. Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu, we've already read in Surah Al-Tahrim. Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu, qu anfusakum wa ahlikum nara.